As y'all can see, I am in the taste share. Y'all look crazy. It's a chill day. It's a chill in the house day. And so we got some Starbucks, and my boyfriend made us breakfast sandwiches, cause you know he makes the best breakfast in the world. But today we are trying some customized Starbucks. Why is this top not going on here? Hold on. They did not put this top on here right. Poops. Anyways, I can't, the top don't go on there, but anyways, I'm having the Twix Frappuccino, and it is a caramel ribbon crunch, two pumps of mocha, Frappuccino chips, extra caramel drizzle, and cookie crumbles. They don't put the top on here right, and that's pissing me off. And my boyfriend got the iced French toast latte, vanilla cold foam or something, blonde espresso. Ooh, he got espresso. I think I might want his. 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup, 1 pump of cinnamon dolce syrup, 1 pump of white mocha, light caramel drizzle, and extra cinnamon powder. I'm jealous of his because I wanted the espresso and he wouldn't let me get an extra shot in mine. So anyways, we're gonna taste this. Let's see what it's talking about. The Twix one is not bad. I don't really taste like the extra shit on top. Probably because I'm not tasting the extra shit on top. But I probably wouldn't order that again. It's not bad, but I probably just wouldn't order it again. But I'm more excited for his. I love his. But to be fair, the only reason I love his is because it's very close to my regular Starbucks order. It just has cinnamon in it. But his is way better than mine. So whatever. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I will be trying more in the future, but it's just a short little video for y'all because I like trying stuff. So yeah, subscribe to be along for the ride, and let me know if y'all have any specific Starbucks orders, or if you tried it and what you think. Okay, bye girl.
ARPs and Glock jams, don't trip, it's plenty poles. Swing the back door, I'm the back end, bitch, I'm throwing foes. Shorty throwing foes, I'm throwing balls back out of overthrow.